We're Jenna and Jeremy.
In August 2020, we bought an RV.
In September 2020, we sold everything and hit the road full time.
Follow our adventures as we explore more of our incredible planet Earth.
Don't forget to press that subscribe button and turn on post notifications for weekly travel videos.
You can find us on Instagram at Quench Your Adventure. Now on to the good stuff.
What's up, guys? It's
Hey, guys.
Jenna and Jeremy here with Quench Your Adventure.
Welcome to the channel. Thank you for the support. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Let's get into it. What are we talking about today?
Today, we're talking about Utah.
But we are not talking about the 5 national parks in Utah, even though it is third in most parks in the US behind just Alaska and California. But we want to go outside of the parks and show you all of the other cool places you can visit.
Let's do it.
Starting in northeastern Utah, we have the Flaming Gorge National Recreation Area. Before finding our awesome boondocking spot, we took a nice hike along the Green River.
This area is full of great places to camp and explore. We drove about 6 miles on a dirt road to make it to this spot where we lived for a full work week. What a life. Heading towards Salt Lake City, we have number 2, Mount Timpanogos. My dad came out to visit and live the RV life for a bit, and the first thing we did was go on this gnarly hike. It's quite a climb, but it's a very rewarding hike all throughout. Big open views and a beautiful multi-layered waterfall that you continue to see as you go up. I had high hopes of seeing some mountain goat and was stoked when we finally saw some in the distance. Little did I know we would be seeing a lot more and at way closer range.
Heading southeast towards the Moab area, we have number 3, Fisher Towers. What a beautiful area along the Colorado River. The rock formations are awesome. You can climb, hike, swim, or just enjoy a scenic drive.
For number 4, we're titling it State Route 279 because we have to mention multiple stops along this awesome road. First is an excellent hike to Corona Arch and Bow Tie Arch, only about 3 miles and not too crowded with some impressive landscapes and natural arches.
Then we have the Gold Bar Campground. The main reason we stumbled upon this place is because it was really hot and we wanted to go swimming. It's right across from the Corona Arch trailhead and a fun time just walking out through the shallows to make it to the main channel of the river.
For our last stop on State Route 279, the Wall Street climbing area. Such impressive walls of rock.
On to number 5, Goblin Valley. Goblin Valley has some of the largest hoodoos in the world. It's like a huge playground. There is a campground for tents and RVs and 2 yurts. We loved staying in our yurt. We woke up and did a 2.5-mile morning hike to Goblin's lair.
Number 6, Bentonite Hills. What a unique display of colors on these clay hills. We couldn't get as close as we wanted to in the RV, but the drone helped us explore, and maybe someday we can return in an off-road vehicle.
Number 7, Fish Lake National Forest. It features majestic aspens surrounding the largest natural mountain lake in the state of Utah. There's trophy fishing and excellent birdwatching here.
Number 8, the Tushar Mountains. These mountains resemble the Rockies of Colorado. It was summertime and we came up here to beat the heat. As you can see here, Delano Peak is over 12,000 feet. There's snow on the ground and it's a rugged and beautiful area to explore. Last on the list, number 9, Gooseberry Mesa. A friend and I camped here back in 2018 after spectating at Red Bull Rampage in Virgin, Utah outside of Zion National Park. It was quiet out here and a lot of fun taking the Jeep way out on these roads.
So much for watching.
Hey, Utah is an amazing state, but we know this just scratches the surface. So if you've been there, you live there, whatever, drop some comments of places that maybe we didn't include.
And if we mentioned any that you really did like, drop that in the comments. We want to see.
Awesome, so thank you. Please again, subscribe if you would, like the video, share it with somebody you want to go travel with, and we'll catch you in the next one.
Get out there and explore, guys. Bye.
See ya.